In 60 seconds, a sharp-eyed explorer uncovers 5 under-the-radar apps that silently upgrade daily routines for busy creators everywhere. First, a distraction-free note takes shape with pristine syncing across devices, turning fleeting thoughts into organized certainty at a glance. Next, a photo editor sneaks pro results with AI tweaks, preserving memory while delivering studio quality on the fly in seconds. A calendar companion learns your habits, nudging you gently toward focus slots before urgency arrives throughout the day. Finally, a tiny automation tool links messages, reminders, and tasks into a single effortless flow without lifting a finger.